Hello everyone, I'm Annie, I'm a professional trader, and today I'll show you a simple strategy with which I earned $6,782. And I'll also show you how to withdraw earned money from Quotex. Let's go. Okay, now move on to the withdrawal of funds. I have $6,782 in my balance, but I'm going to withdraw 6,000 and let's say 700. I'll have only $82 left in my balance. So now we need to choose a wallet address. I select TRX20 and click confirm. Guys, that's all I'll be working with in a few minutes. $82 left from a 6,782 and I'm waiting for my income. Okay, I have just withdrawn more than 6,000 bucks and sometimes it happens much faster than 48 hours. And we'll start trading with you after I have a tea and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Of course, that's not all my cash, I have much more, but these guys, well, the wallet is too small, you know. Okay, let's start trading with our new trading strategy. Well, as you can see, I have $82 in my balance, as I said, and today I'll use the Bollinger Bands indicator with period of 15 and a deviation of 2. I also want to make the middle line of this indicator and change its color to orange. You can choose absolutely any color, but I choose this one. It's my favorite. And I think the best option is to combine this indicator with stochastic oscillator. It perfectly shows the overbought and oversold points. And on this currency pair, we see that the price has reached the lower Bollinger line, which tells us about the price reversal. And according to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price is at the 30 mark. That's why I want to open an up trade here, but for just, let's say, $10, because we follow the rules of money management. Great, my first profit. Cool. Okay, everything will work out if you follow the 80-20 strategy. 20 days are risks, either we earn money or we don't. But in any case, 80% is a plus, because the indicators are very cool. And let's move on to the first currency pair. It has a small payout percentage, but I still want to analyze the situation. Okay, here we see an uptrend. According to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price is at the oversold level, and this shows us that the price will turn around. But I want to analyze this moment in another time frame. Well, because there we can see completely different situation. And on the 5-minute time frame, we see that the price is at the resistance level, and the stochastic shows that the price is at the overbought level. Okay, fuck it, let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. And I want to invest $15 here and open a down trade. Excellent result. As you can see, I managed to predict the price movement, and my balance is $100 already. And if you want to earn $100 daily, then I recommend you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where you'll find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options, as well as absolutely free trading signals. You can find the link in the description of this video. And now let's go back to our trading session. We see global downtrend in this currency pair. We can see that all candles are below the middle line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. So I think the downward movement will continue. And, well, I want to open a down trade here, but with $30. Awesome, I'm in profit, so good. And it was quite an interesting type of transaction, because in this case As you see, we're working with a rather unstable situation, although it's located at about the same level. Well, in this case, I think we should think about having more experience. Now let's look at another situation on the next currency pair. And as you can see, this pair is not OTC, and here we see an uptrend. And now the price has touched the lower line of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and I want to analyze this graph on an older time frame. Let's say 5 minutes. Okay, what do we see here? And here we also see an uptrend. We can see that the candlesticks are above the middle line of the Bollinger indicator. So let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. And I want to invest $60 here. No, 60 is almost half of my deposit, it's too much. Okay, let's keep the 30. And I open a trade up. Good entry point. We're moving at about the same level, and all we need to take into account is to keep an eye on the low speed, as well as be able to look at the stochastic oscillator. Well, it helps us a lot. And let's move on to the next currency pair. Okay, and here in this currency pair we see that the price is at the resistance level. We can also notice that the candle touched the upper Bollinger Bands line, so I want to change the investment by 40 and open a trade down. Oh, I'm really happy that I have this amount of money, and well, you see, I was a little nervous because it's flat here, but the price is at the resistance level, and sometimes it's quite difficult, but when you work with high volatility or trade flat, you need to be more detailed, you really need. Okay, just let me see what happens with the next currency pair. It would be the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. Okay, what do we see here? There is an uptrend on this currency pair. According to stochastic oscillator, we can see that the price is at the oversold level. So I changed the investment and open the trade up. Cool. I managed to predict this would happen again. There was definitely an increase in quotations, and you can see, however, we are experiencing this slow, very slow price growth. Fortunately, we're still moving forward. So let's move on to the first currency pair. Okay, here we see that the downtrend movement continues, but I want to consider different situations, so let's add another currency pair. Let it be United States dollar and Bangladesh taka. And if we connect all the maximum points on this chart, we can see that the price is starting from this level, which also tells us about the downtrend. So I want to open a down trade here, but with $60. Great, I'm in profit. And by the way, in my Telegram channel we analyze charts, I share useful tools, tips and trading signals, and all this is absolutely free. You can find the link in the description of this video. Join me and let's go back to our trading session. And on this currency pair we see that the downtrend continues. Okay, according to the stochastic oscillator, the lines begin to intersect. Besides, here the price is at the level, and I think that at the moment it can go up. Okay, that's why my trade will be here. Excellent profit. Such a wonderful time to continue growing, to continue trading in this case. By the way, write in the comments what do you do for a living, because you see, I had 4 years of experience before I started to recording these tutorial videos. You have to study before you receive these huge amounts. And let's move on to the next currency pair. Here I see that the uptrend continues, but well, I want to consider another situation. So let's delete this currency pair, and I want to add okay, let it be this one. It has a good payout percentage. And on this currency pair, I see that the price is now the resistance level, and according to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price is at the overbought level. So I want to change my investments and open a down trade. Awesome, another profitable deal, and as you can see, the transaction time is 1 minute, and that was enough for me to make a profit. It doesn't matter if it's trending or not, the main thing is 1 minute. Let me see what's happening with this currency pair. Here we see that the downtrend continues, and do you see this candle? It's a long wick, which shows that the bears are weakening. Well, that's why I want to open up a trade here. Awesome, I'm in profit, and here we can also notice that the candle touched the lower Bollinger Band and stochastic oscillator is at the oversold level. Well, that's why my trade was up here. Now let's move on to the next currency pair. Okay, the situation on this currency pair is quite interesting. We can see that the candle has touched the lower Bollinger Band line. Well, that's why I want to open a $200 up trade. Excellent result. See guys, I was able to predict the price movement again, and I want to consider another situation on this currency pair. And what do we see here? Strong bullish movement, but we can also see that the price is at the resistance level. So I want to open a trade down for $200 again. Unbelievable, I'm in profit. Okay, and of course, there should definitely be correction after such a bullish move. I'm moving on really right. It's a wonderful time to continue this downward movement, to continue trading in this case. Well, you see we have this amount of money for a few minutes. You can also notice that it's really simple, and I'm thinking of giving it a try. Okay, let's look at the situation on the Swiss franc and Japanese yen currency pair. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, let's delete it. Okay, this currency pair has a fairly low payout percentage. Okay, let's move on to the United States dollar and Bangladesh taka. And on this currency pair, we see technical analysis figure, a descending triangle. In addition, we can notice that the price is at the upper Bollinger Bands line, so I want to change my investments and open a trade down. Cool, profit, it's okay. Finally, and as you can see, the price continued its downward movement. Well, according to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price has reached the 70 mark and it's starting its reversal. Okay, let's look another situation for today, and I think that will be enough. And here we see that after a prolonged downtrend, a small correction has begun. In addition, the price is at the resistance level, but I want to analyze this chart on an older time frame. For example, 3 minutes. You will also see that the price is at the resistance level, so I want to go back to the 1 minute time frame, and we see that the candlestick reversal pattern has formed here. So I think this is the very moment when you can open a trade down right now. That's great, that's all I wanted to show you. So guys, I sincerely hope that this video was very useful for you and you'll use it in your own strategy. And if you need more information on binary options and profitable strategies, go to my YouTube channel where all the videos are. Also follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel and become a part of my community. There I publish interesting tools and tips for successful trading sessions and absolutely walk-in trading signals. I wish everyone a big profit. Bye bye.